Hello, all. In this video, we'll see what is a string formatting operator or string substitution operator, or also called interpolation operator in Python. It is also called a modulus. So, let us start. For example, we have a string name way to know. Okay, so in this, we wanted to print name. So how will we do? We'll just print name, right? But let us assume we are going to have use an operator which helps us substitute the um, name. Okay, so this can be written as my okay channel name is percentages. Okay, there will not be comma, a modulus operator, and name. Name is nothing but this variable, the string variable which was declared. What we did is we just used a the modulus operator, and what modulus operator indicates is whatever is following the modulus operator, this will substitute the percentages format here, like and then let us assume number. Okay, let us run this first. Okay, when we run this, we can see here the percentages got substituted. Now number is equal to 2. Okay, my end has percentage d. Okay, videos for example. Okay, now we have number, name comma number. You can see. So a variable can be declared here, and then the string formatting or the string distribution can be used to substitute that variable into the specifier that is used here. Very simple, right?